All right, thank you, James. Football fans gearing up for the biggest game of the year this weekend, where more than 100 million viewers are expected to be watching the, you know it, the Super Bowl. But that's not the only competition that is taking place this month. Students at Suncoast Technical College in Sarasota are focused on their own big match happening next Tuesday. ABC7's Brendan Mackey and photojournalist Larry Phillips caught up with the team as they get ready for their own kickoff.
The project manufacturing competition begins on Tuesday in Wichita, Kansas. And this two-day competition will have teams from all over the country show off their machine shop skills, including one team from our area.
I'd say it's kind of like the Super Bowl for machining. You know, it's a tournament. A lot of teams start out like 16, 17 teams, and it just goes up the ranks till you got 4. And then you can only have one winner. So hopefully this year will be the winner.
Everything's set.
That's Joshua Lucas and Chris Holmes, two of the students getting ready to show off what they can do. Project manufacturing gives the 4-person teams a challenge where they must work together under pressure to complete a task.
Having the time constraint really, puts the pressure on, but that just gives you more motivation to do it better, faster. So you learn different ways to make things more efficient.
For their teacher,
that's the most common metric screw right there.
He likes the opportunity to show off his students and their handiwork.
You got to kind of go into areas you haven't been into before, but if you're trained well enough, you should be able to handle that, and they did a really good job with that.
Even though the team from Sarasota are underdogs, they are going to Kansas determined to win the $100,000 grand prize.
The program here at SCT is really good, and we've come a long way especially for what we have. We're a small school, and when we travel around and get to see the other schools there, they tend to be a lot bigger than us. They have more equipment, but Ed, our instructor, has done a pretty good job for what we have.
Last year they took 3rd. But this year, they are going for that first-place trophy.
I'd like to win. I think we're going to win this year.
All right, let's go over here.